Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Thruvin. Apple today released the iOS 17.3.1 and also iPadOS 17.3.1 update. In this iOS 17.3.1 update comes a few weeks after Apple released the iOS 17.3 with the standalone device protections features. Now the iPhone users question is, what is the size of iOS 17.3.1? The size of iOS 17.3.1 is around 250 MB for the iPhone users. This iOS version size is must be depend on your iPhone models. Now the second question is, in iOS 17.3.1 what's the new features? Unfortunately, in this update Apple not released any new features for iPhone and iPad users. It's only bug fixes update. Now the iPhone users question is, in iOS 17.3.1 update what's the bug fixes for iPhone and iPad users? Before this update, Apple users to say in the text overlapping problem. According to Apple release the notes, the update include the fix for the bug that could cause text to unexpectedly duplicate and overlap while the typing. This problem fix in iOS 17.3.1 update. If you're not updating your iPhone iOS 17.3 now, please make sure update this update. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.